Yes, hi guys, I welcome you to my YouTube channel once again. We are going to study something small on Microsoft Word package, where we are going to see how do we go with what we're calling as mail merge. In previous video I took you how do we use what we're calling as a table of content that is in Microsoft Word. Now let's study mail merge, which is a feature that let us create a batch of documents that are personalized probably for each recipient. That is the outcome or what is good on this mail merge. For example, a letter might be personalized to address each recipient by name. So instead of wasting your time doing manually, writing a lot of things, probably you can type only one letter. You use mail merge to take it to different categories of people. And there are several documents that can be created using a mail merge. Probably we have the letters, the envelopes, the labels, and emails. Now, how do we do this? First of all, you have to select the document or the letter that you want to use. Now, this is it. I have saved in this Word things we're using what we're calling as Microsoft Word. Now, this is the document that I really want to send to different categories of people. Now, what I do first, I go to mailings. After going to mailings, there is a button there, start mail merge, more so to the left. So you tap on that, it is a letter. So after I come and see this, so this is a letter that I'm using in as an example. Now after this, I select recipient, who is supposed to receive. If I want to type a new list, if I want to use an existing list, definitely depend on your choice. If you had not yet put any list before, you come to type a new list. Now typing a new list, there's a lot of columns, several things that appear that you have to edit. That is customizing what columns. There are other entries you might be in need of deleting there. Come to customize columns and delete what you really don't want it to appear. If you want only one thing, probably like this is title. If I don't want, just come to delete and it goes away. I want first name and last name only, company, I delete. Address line, I delete. Address line 2, I delete. I am now customizing my columns where I'll be in position to edit another one. So I'm now customizing. I am deleting others. That is what you do. I may leave phone number. There's no problem. Yes, I come to OK. There for my column here, I start now typing the list of individuals that I want them to receive. First of all, I put Okelo as the first person, as the first name. Last name could be, it is just Josh. This is the home place, maybe I put something of that nature. I come to another new entry, I put Odongo, something of that nature. Odongo, that's the home place, probably is Gulu here. I come to another new entry. This is my namesake, Opio, and the last name is this one, George. The home place could be a patch. Finally, I also put some gender balance there. I put Akelo, and the last name is Miriam, could be something of that nature. And the home place could be this. Now after this, I just pressed OK. That means I am done with it. And I get a way of saving I can save it as this. Just get a file name that is convenient for you, then you save. That is now found in the data source, probably what you can do. Now from here, what else I can do? You're already done with this. Now you come to the merging. You insert the merge field. After editing the list, now you have everything here. You can check on it. If you want to change anything, you want to sort it, there's no problem. Yes, you can have the last name, first name, and the home place. There's no. If I want to carry out any manipulation, I can come on here. If it is okay, just tap on OK. Now I come to insert my merge field, where you bring the cursor where you're supposed to insert the merge field, just something of that nature. Just tap on that. Still on mailings. I'm using the existing list, probably what I have, which is this. Yes, inserting the merge field. Let me bring this down so that insert the merge field. First name, last name. I want the first name to come. Yes, if the first name comes, I come here and what? Finish, edit individual documents. I want to go to all categories of people that have made. If it is current record, therefore it will miss. But first of all, you have to delete the content that was present here before. This was there, and also this was there. Yes, after deleting, leave only the first name present. You come to finish and merge, edit individual, then you come to all. If you put current document, it will be on that one only. But come to all, you tap on OK. Yes, after tapping on OK, you can see that the document have changed. The names you can probably see very well. Okelo is here. Besides that, you can scroll and see another one, Odongo. You can see another one, namesake Opio. You can see another one, Akelo, like that. So with this, you can simplify your work by sending letters to more than even 100 individuals. That will save you valuable time that would have used to do a lot of things. So thank you so much. This is how to go with mail merge. I would be welcoming your comments, probably on my channel. You can do the needful. I'll help you on how to go with it. Probably subscribe to get more and more videos of this nature, because you'll be in position to really learn a lot on computer skills, computer packages, and other insights of computer technology that is good for you development. I thank you so much.